Wait, today I got a package from Kingston. And this is their latest na external storage. Tawag sa kanya is the XS1000R. Sabi ni Kingston, this is a USB 3.2 Gen 2. And this device has a read and write speed of up to 1 GB per second. I'm really interested malaman kung gaano kabilis nga ba talaga ang mabilis itong XS1000R. And somewhere throughout this video, mamimigay tayo ng Kingston na merch. So hang in there. Now guys, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Kingston. Isusponsor tayo ng some giveaways para sa inyo lang. And in this video, we'll be giving away a Kingston XS1000 plus 2 consolation prize. And here are the mechanics. So gaganapin natin to sa ating Facebook page. Follow and like the Kingston Official Philippines page. Comment kayo sa comment section kung anong nagustuhan nyo dito sa Kingston na XS1000R. Don't forget to use the hashtag Kingston and hashtag gadgetsidekick. And of course, don't forget to share the post and tag 5 of your besties. Sa Facebook ha, magdodraw tayo just after 1 week ng posting ko. Lahat ng di sumunod sa rules would be disqualified. So guys, this is a newly launched na product ni Kingston and pinadalan tayo to test this one out. So, bubuksan ko lang yung box just for you. And pag open natin, we'd see I got the color red. Last time we got a color black one, but this time we have my favorite color, the color red. Sobrang gaan niya guys though. This is just around mga 1 ounce or 28 grams. Ganon siya kagaan. And probably the next thing na poproblemahin mo, baka mawala mo to along the way. Sa sobrang liit niya, sa sobrang gaan niya, you have to be careful no, kung saan mo siya nilalagay. Inside we have a C2A cable, but meron siyang OTG plug which will be handy if you have a C2C device though, like smartphones or mga laptops sa USB Type-C, this plug would be useful. Most of the time, pag nagtatransfer ako sa aking smartphone, kakabit ko lang tong OTG dito sa ilalim, and on the other side, ikakabit ko na tong Kingston na XS1000R. Ang bilis lang niya mabasa, makita mo meron siyang blue LED na umiilaw. Yan guys, kung nakailaw ang blue LED, it means gumagana na siya, nadedetect na siya ng phone mo. So most of the time na bumibili ako ng smartphone, I normally stick with 256 or 512. Madala ako bumili ng 1 tera kasi medyo may kamahalan. And so if you're the type of person na madalas magpalit ng smartphone just like me, this is probably your best bet. Kasi lahat ng mga important files mo nandito. Pag nagpapalit ka ng smartphone, you just need to sign in yung mga accounts mo and you store your other data dito. Pero yung mga ibang memories mo, you can always save it here to save space ng smartphone mo. So right now, you probably might not need a 1 terabyte na smartphone or even 2 terabyte na smartphone kung once nagkaroon nga ba. Kasi alam naman natin, kahit yung iPhone for every 256 gig na increment, medyo lumalaki ang jump niya. Alam ko, if I remember right, si 15 Pro Max na 256 and 512 different size, around mga 6,000 pesos if I'm correct. Yung 1 terabyte nito, I think is less than 5,000 pesos. Now, one of the things na talagang magugustuhan mo dito sa kanya is yung kanyang portability. I would say na sobrang liit niya, sobrang gaan niya, and gusto lang natin isalang right now sa PC natin. No? Let's see kung how fast ang transfer speed nito and gaano nga ba siya ka-okay. And of course, we'll show you some stats from Crystal Mark para makita natin kung ano nga ba talaga capability nito. Now, in case na you're a iPhone user still rocking the Lightning port, pwede ka bumili na itong Anker na Powerline 3 Pro na may USB-C to Lightning. This would enable you to transfer to and from your iPhone dito sa Kingston XS1000R. Link on the description. So right now guys, is-start na natin i-check yung mga some of the stats natin dito sa ating Kingston XS1000R. So basically, this is the dimension na makikita mo. 69mm by 32mm. Ang liit niya, no? And we're going to start off with this Crystal Mark na this check. But basically, kakatapos ko lang mag-check and this is what I got. No? So, it has a read speed and write speed of up to 1 gig. Halos tama naman siya, wala namang mali. And gusto lang natin i-check din dito sa this speed test. No? Select lang natin yung tamang drive. So, mag-run lang siya like that. Write and read speed dito sa ating disk. So, basically, if you take a good look at it, this is what we got based dito sa kanyang statistics, no? So, ang siguro hindi lang niya kaya is to write ng 12K na DCI 60. So, yun ang siguro a little bit of the restriction dito nakita natin. And ProRes na 8K DCI 60. Yun ang mga konting ano lang. Pero overall with the given yung speed niya dito, I would say that it's quite impressive. Ang write niya is around nearly hindi nagkakalayo sa 1 gig per second. Nearly achieving 855 na Mbps. Mas mabilis ang actually right pala yung nasabi ko, ang read niya is near 1 gig, mas na-achieve naman niya. Importante sa aking read write is also important, but definitely ang read speed sa akin is definitely much more important, and it gives you a rough estimate kung what to expect dito sa disk natin. So this one would keep running and running and running until you stop it. So stop na natin. So at least we got a bird's eye view on what to expect from itong disk natin. So right now we'll be just quickly transferring some files over to our Kingston drive. So right now I'll be transferring this file, itong folder na ito, which has roughly around 31.5 gig. Control C, punta lang tayo kay Kingston, and i-paste lang natin dito sa root niya. So let's see kung gaano siya kabilis, 31 gig yan we're transferring at around mga 500 Mbps. Okay, so it takes roughly 60 seconds lang or less to complete the full cycle. So yan kita nyo, ang bilis. Imagine mo if you have a mga 300 gig na file, transferring to and from itong drive na ito would take you really not really significant amount of time lang. Saglit lang tapos ka na. Maybe you hit the shower, paglabas mo, tapos ka na mag-transfer. Ganon kabilis to, And I'm really amazed with the speed na binibigay sa akin dito ni XS1000R ni Kingston. Wala, 15 seconds na lang, tapos na tayo. It's that fast. So we'll be transferring it back sa akin hard drive, and let's see kung gaano siya kabilis. I-rename lang natin yung kanyang tapos na. 60 seconds. So rename lang natin, and let's copy it back to our hard drive to where it came from. So balik lang natin dito sa folder. Let's see how fast. See, it's even faster kasi mas mataas ang read kaysa write kanina 60 seconds and ngayon 45 seconds lang pabalik sa ating hard drive with the same amount of files, 1.5 G. Kalat siyang files, may pictures, may photos, may screenshots, so halo-halo siya. Yan, kita nyo, 20 seconds na lang. Ganon kabilis mag-transfer dito sa Kingston na 1000R, which you really be blown away with its speed. Kita nyo, 780 Mbps read speed. Actual yan, guys. See, ganon kabilis lang, guys, mag-transfer to and from the Kingston 1000R. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa bagong device ni Kingston? It's really nice, it's really fast, and I love the way this one is. It's really cool, to be honest with you. I love the form factor, I love the speed transfer, and sobrang huge ang 2 terabyte dito sa loob ng aking pocket. I can bring this anywhere kung gusto ko mag-travel, gusto ko just going to the office. Just to remember na huwag niyong wawalain kasi mabilis lang siya mawala. And definitely for a content creator like me, sobrang okay siya kasi I can store a lot of videos, photos sa loob ng aking Kingston XS1000R. I'll be updating mga links on the description box below kung saan ito pwede mabili, but currently, ang ino-offer pa lang is the XS1000. So if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends, and sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.